We're completing a repair today at 3498 Daniel Bridge Road. We have outlined the shingle that we are going to be repairing and marked the creased shingle here. This is the area of the repair. We also have a control area up here to document what an area looks like on the same slope that would not be touched or done any or have any repairs completed. We will now start. We are using the snake tool, which is recommended, and we will start the process now. Notice I'm getting Lovell trying to show that he's not going to be lifting the shingles more than 45 degrees, and we are doing this repair with due care. This roof is older as it is and very brittle. Able to pull those nails out without lifting those top shingles more than 45 degrees. Again, just very easily sliding the snake tool up under the shingle to pop the nail loose, and then prying it out from the shingle above the one we are taking out to replace. And with the way shingles are installed, you have to go up 2 rows to remove nails. And that is what he is doing now, going up to the next row of nails to have them removed. Like I said earlier, notice you can see he's done this entire process with due care, not lifting these shingles higher than the recommended 45 degrees, and not being too rough with them to cause any tears or rips or anything of that nature. The shingle is now removed. I'll go ahead and go over the top of this. As you can see, there's already creasing starting to form here as well. We are going back with a 3-tab, same light kind and quality. And then this is the inserting of the shingle here to start the process back and get this repair completed. Notice he's only lifting at the recommended height, getting it down with the snake tool, and then having to hit it the rest of the way down. I'm only lifting the shingle back up enough just to be able to get the top of the snake head onto the top of the nail head itself to drive a flushed nail. The one thing with the snake tool is once it's hit in so far, it does not drive a flush nail completely. A little trial and error. Having a little trouble on that one, that nail there having to be swapped out.
Come on, man.
Third time's a charm. Yeah, there are definitely some advantages and disadvantages to the snake tool. So yeah, that's one thing I want to show. The newer shingles don't really take an impact when the snake tool hits them. But if you can notice here where the snake tool has driven the nail here, it has caused damage to the surface of the shingle, granule loss.
Before and after here.
And if you want some, we'll get a close-up of this before and after. Here, what this one is installed. As you can see where he is holding it and where it'll be hitting the face of the shingle. And that is right after, as you can see, the granule loss and the damage it's causing to the face of the shingle. Like I said, that damage is only being caused to the older shingles. It is not being caused as bad to the newer shingle that we are installing. But overall, it is breaking down the shingle. So that final nail was driven in, the repair was completed. But as you can see, going through here, creasing is now formed here. Creasing is now formed across all of these shingles above the one that we just repaired. Not as definite on the outside of some of these, but creasing has started to form on all of them. This repair is just something that you can see the damages on there as well from the snake tool.
Creasing.
If you come back up here to the controlled area that I had earlier, you can see that none of this is caused here. So that is done from the repair. It's something we wanted to document and send in. Please let us know what we should do from here.